Alright guys, by now you probably already know. We got birds. So what I'm actually going to do is we have birds outside, wild birds. I'm going to put some seed in a bucket, and we got some berries outside, and I'm going to put them all in a bucket, and I'm going to let them chew on that because I kind of feel bad for the birdies. And yeah, I'm going to do that. So hopefully that helps. So first, I'm gonna go get a bucket. Or maybe like a cup or something, just something small. So I'm gonna go find that, and I will catch up with you guys when that is done. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how to pause on this. So I'm just gonna kind of block the camera until I find a bucket. And I will talk to you until I find the bucket. Alright. Thanks for watching. Until then, I'm just gonna have my hand here looking for a bucket somewhere. I think we found it already. I found styrofoam cups for the cat's food. I think this might work. Just a little treat cup. Alright, I'm gonna put you down on the table here. Let me get one of these cups out. Alright. So I'm just in my kitchen or whatever. And the reason there's balloon pops everywhere is we just had my uncle's 40th birthday. So, still kind of cleaning that up. But yeah, so we're just going to grab a little bit of seed. And there. Here. I guess instead of me putting my hand there, I'm going to put my birdseed cup there. Alright. I'm gonna go tell my dad that I'm outside. So, yeah. Hey, Dad. I'm just gonna go outside, okay?
What was it?
I'm just going outside. Yep, I'll get a jacket. Yep. Alright, so now he knows. So, gotta get the jacket, because you know, winter is here. My birds. I gotta be careful. We have a cat, so bird seed there. Phone on the couch. Get my jacket on. Boys. So, almost forgot the bird seed. Got the bird seed. Shoes. Alright. I gotta go outside carefully because there's birdies like right there, and I don't want to scare them away. Oh, and they're all gone. Kinda did what I thought I was gonna do. Alright, we're gonna put you down by the bird seed here. And yeah. Alright, you get to watch me pick a bunch of berries. Alright guys. So first, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come in here by our bush here, and we're actually just gonna pick a bunch of these berries. And if you think I'm yelling, that's because I am. I'm trying to make sure the camera can hear me. Alright, I'm just gonna pick you up now. Alright, so you probably know I was yelling there, and I was just making sure the camera could hear me. But and now we got these like berries here. So I'm just gonna pick one to show you what I mean. See that? That's a berry. Put it in our cup. Another berry. Put it in our cup. Ow! Stupid thorns. Alright, so. Oh, alright. I found a lot of berries, and they're not surrounded by thorns. So. This one doesn't want to come off, though. Ow! Alright, I got it. Alright, so I'm gonna put the cup down right there, and I'll just pick a bunch of berries with my hands. Ow! So the birds are honestly probably thinking right now, why is he picking all our berries? And I can tell them right now, I am not picking their berries so I can eat them. They are poisonous to us. But they don't know that, so yeah. Alright, that one still kind of has a thorn in it, so there we go. Alright. So I'm probably not going to pick a lot of these because, like, these berries hurt to pick. Like, they're really hard to pick. And it is also, like, 0 degrees out here. And I came out here in jeans and freaking, and I came out here in a jacket, too. So, like, it's kind of cold. My fingers are numbing up because, yeah, I just have no gloves. So I'm actually gonna go in the tree where they are probably, because they got bigger berries and those berries don't have thorns on them. So I'm just gonna go over to our tree in our front yard and pick some actual berries. And I'm not gonna lie, I think some of these trees are poisonous to us. Like, oh, I got one. Yeah, I'm just gonna go put this down, this cup, down in the front, and somewhere I can actually see it. And let's see if any birds come over. And first I'll sprinkle some. Oh, great. Yeah, because I don't think they're gonna be comfortable eating from a cup. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this all over. So now they got some. Oh, my finger broke through the cup. Anyway, yeah, they had birdseed now, and now they can actually survive the cold winter. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today, and have a great day, like always. Alright, goodbye.